Okay, welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, today let us discuss how to construct a pair of tangents to a circle from an external point. Children, in the chapter circle we know that if two tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point, their lengths are equal or they are of equal lengths. Now the point is, how can we construct two tangents from an external point to a circle? What are the steps? Let us see, okay? So, suppose this is the given circle. This is a rough diagram. See, the center is O. In this case, the center is given. Okay, when center is given, how to construct a pair of tangents to a circle from an external point. Suppose P is the external point, this is the given circle. Okay, center with center O, center is also given. Now, how will you construct a pair of tangents? That means, how will you construct PT and PT dash? Okay. These are the two tangents. You know what is a tangent? Tangent is a line which touches the circle exactly in one point. Look at PT dash and PT. These two lines touches the circle in two exactly one point, here T and here T dash. Okay. So no doubt PT and PT dash will be the two required tangents. But how to draw this? How to construct these two tangents? See. So what are the steps? Now, so what we are given? We are given only this circle, you see. We are given only this circle whose center is given and this point is given, external point is given. And what we want to construct? We want to construct two tangents or a pair of tangents from this point P to the circle, what? To the circle whose center is O. Now, to construct a pair of tangent, what is the first step? You see, the center is given, so first you join the center to the point outside or the external point. Join the center to the external point. This is the first step. Okay. Now after joining the center to the external point, what is the next step? The next step is you bisect this line segment. See, let us bisect. That means draw the perpendicular bisector. See, bisect OP. See, suppose this is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, of the line segment OP. Now suppose name it Q. Say Q. Now, if you see, if L is the perpendicular bisector of OP, then no doubt PQ and OQ will be equal. Okay? PQ and OQ will be equal because we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of OP. Now taking Q as center, what is the next step? Taking Q as center, see, take Q as center and PQ or OQ as radius. Taking Q as center and PQ or OQ as radius, you draw a circle. Okay. So taking Q as center, if you draw a circle, see, I am drawing a circle. See, taking Q as center and PQ or OQ, that means PQ equal to OQ. Okay, PQ equal to OQ. So taking Q as center and PQ or OQ as radius, if you draw a circle, what will happen? This circle will intersect the given circle in two distinct points. Suppose name it T, name it T dash. Look at. If you take Q as the center and QP or QO, this is Q. Okay? Taking Q as center and PQ as radius or OQ as radius, if you construct a circle, if you draw a circle, what will happen? This circle will intersect the given circle in two distinct points, say T and T dash. Now what you will do? Join, you see, P and T dash. Look at. Join P and T and join P and T dash. This point you see. Look at. After getting the point T and T dash, after getting the two distinct points T and T dash, join PT and PT dash. PT dash. So PT and PT dash are the two what? Are the two tangents. These are the two tangents, required tangents drawn to the circle whose center is O from the external point P. Now the point is, why PT and PT are tangents? Because look at the line PT. It touches exactly the circle exactly in one point, that is T. So PT is no doubt a tangent. Similarly, look at the line PT dash. This line PT dash also touches the circle exactly in how many point? 1 point, that is T dash. So no doubt PT dash is also a tangent. So thus we say that PT and PT dash are the two required tangents drawn to the circle, drawn to the circle. So when its center is given. So in this way, children, you can easily construct a pair of tangents to a circle whose center is given. So once again I am summarizing the thing. You are given a circle with center O. You are given the external point P which does not lie on the circle. First step is what? In order to construct a pair of tangents from this external point to the circle, first you join the center to the external point. So whatever line segment you will get, bisect it. Draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment. Now it will intersect OP at some point, say Q. Then take Q as center and PQ or OQ as radius, then you draw a circle. Taking Q as center and PQ as radius, if you draw a circle, that circle will intersect the given circle or original circle in two distinct points. Name those two distinct points, say T and T dash. Now join those two distinct points to the external point P. Okay. So whatever line segments will be obtained, that is whatever lines will be obtained, that is PT and PT dash, they will be the required tangents. And they will be the required tangents. Why they will be the required tangents? Because these two lines PT and PT dash, they what? Touch the circle exactly in one point. PT touches the circle exactly in one point T. Similarly, PT dash touches the given circle exactly in one point T dash. So no doubt PT and PT dash are the required tangents drawn to the given circle whose center O is given. Okay. So in another class we are going to discuss how to construct a pair of tangents to a circle if its center is not given. Okay. If center of the circle is not given but the external point is given, how to construct a pair of tangents to the circle? We shall discuss it in the next class. Children, I hope in this class whatever I discussed, how to construct a pair of tangents to a circle from an external point. Okay. If you are given the center of the circle and the external point, how to construct a pair of tangents to the given circle whose center is given, I hope you understood. What are the steps to be followed? I hope you understood. So we shall discuss another important thing about how to construct a pair of tangent when center is not given in the next class. Children, I hope whatever I discussed you must have understood. If at all it is true, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.